Guys, I'm gonna take a few minutes here to explain about America's Choice windows. This is your double pane, argon filled, low E 366 coating, virgin vinyl window. Virgin vinyl. What virgin vinyl is, it's never been used for anything but this product, so we can guarantee it never to mildew, mold, or oxidize. 366. It's actually a silver bar. It's actually melted into the glass and acts like a reflecting, like a mirror. If you can kind of see the reflection here, it's going to push that heat back. Argon. Argon gas is an inert object, a filler for the between the two panes of glass. The double pane, again, energy efficiency, argon 366 coating. This is a double hung window, so the window will raise up and tilt in from the bottom. Also, the top will tilt in for this as well. That's a great feature if you want to ever decide you want to clean your windows. Most of us don't, but those that do, love that idea. The last thing I like to share with you guys is about the noise abatement, or the lack of noise. Let me show you something here. So as I walk around the window, you can definitely hear my voice very, very clearly. Now as I start raising up the window, that's what I'm talking about. America's Choice windows. You're getting the best executive line, energy efficient window that you can actually get.